What's up, guys? Welcome to RV with Victor. I have never seen a front living room Flagstaff until now, and I am so impressed with it. I'd love to show you guys. Let's go. All right, guys, here she is in all of her glory. Brand new Flagstaff 402 CFL here at Family RV. She is 40 feet long, tip to tip, and 11,900 pounds dry. I have been doing RV videos for a long time now, and I have yet to see a front living room Flagstaff in person. These units typically sell very quickly, so it's very difficult to have an opportunity to see one in person because they sell so fast. But I am so excited to have an opportunity to take a look at this one in person. 402 CFL, QR code there for you in case you want to go to Flagstaff's website, get a little bit more information there. Two awnings here on the camp side. Got some slide toppers as well on some of the slide outs here. A couple of pieces of information there for you. Goodyear endurance tires. This is actually an ABS system on this one as well, ABS brake monitoring. So first you start off in the kitchen, get an awesome residential 18 cubic foot Magic Chef refrigerator. This thing's nicer than the fridge I have at home. So that's awesome. You get a tire pressure monitoring system that comes with this unit as well. Pantry there, microwave, Furrion oven there on that slide out. You get this awesome coffee bar towards the end of the kitchen. A bunch of drawer space, more cabinetry space. So everything that you need to have all of your cups, pots, and pans where they need to be when you're out camping. Metal sink, matte black faucet, more storage here, and I believe there's a trash can right here. Yeah, there's a trash can right here on your island. Above that, get a little space there for some cutlery. And here, what's cool about this, you have a cutting board that's removable. Cut up your fruits, your veggies, and whatnot. Once you're done cutting all that up, you get super easy access to be able to throw it out instead of making a big old mess everywhere, which is such an awesome touch that Flagstaff does this. I'm really impressed with them. Everything, of course, is soft close as well. Ooh, I didn't close that one hard enough. But yeah, everything is soft close, which really shows off the craftsmanship that Flagstaff has demonstrated. It's yeah, Flagstaff is probably one of my favorite brands from Forest River and just the RV industry in general. I think Flagstaff does an absolutely amazing job. Take a look at these lights here in the front. Gosh, it just looks absolutely cozy in here. You have a TV on the televator here in the front living room, as well as an electric fireplace. So you want to talk about where's the family going to hang out for movie night, video games, or just spending quality time together, this is where it's at. These lights here on the slide out, you touch them. Just by touching them or having just the slightest contact with them turns those on. Wanted to demonstrate that for you on a couple of the lights here. So as opposed to a button that you click, and we all know from having RVs or taking a look at them in the past, the buttons that you have to click for some of the lights in these RVs get jammed. Sometimes people break them. So it's really cool to have just, I mean, I'm barely, grazing my finger on it. And that's turning on the lights in there. Get a little extra closet space over here. One thing that's awesome about Flagstaff, they give you a little care package as well as a binder that has everything that you need in terms of information on your coach, warranty information, guides on all the stuff that it comes with, which I really appreciate them taking that time to do that. You'll get a couple of stickers, a couple of guides and whatnot. So I really appreciate Flagstaff doing that. All your remotes and everything as well is going to be in that bag. So again, just really appreciates. I really appreciate Flagstaff's attention to detail in that regard. Control panel is here, as well as your awning control. You are able to dim and lower the lights if you press and hold them. Let me do it one more time. I believe if you press and hold them, we'll start to dim the lights here in the main living. And if you press and hold it again, it'll bring the lights back up, which is awesome. Another thing to point out, the lights are recessed. Maybe I should so you can see. The lights are recessed lighting in here, as opposed to those bulky covers that we're used to seeing on other brands. Here in the restroom, you get a Menisa cabinet, vanity. Of course, you have a porcelain foot flush toilet. You get a ton of cabinetry or linen storage here and there. And what's awesome is that they now have a one-piece fiberglass shower. So this is a very solid shower that they're putting in here. Looks absolutely amazing. And it's one piece as opposed to the two-piece showers that we're used to seeing. Stepping here into the bedroom. Even if they didn't do that accent lighting, I still think it looks great. But it definitely is an added feature to have the accent lighting there as well. So moving over here, your TV is already installed up there in the corner. You get plenty of storage, and of course, not to mention, because everyone's going to ask, you have washer and dryer prep. So guys, if you like this video, please like it. Please subscribe so we can continue to grow the channel and get more of these videos out to other RV lovers like yourself. If you're interested in this unit, text me 760-559-6103. You can check out all the specs and dimensions at familyrvusa.com or come see us in person. But most importantly, please text me or call me so we can schedule an appointment so I can have some time carved out to show you this exclusively and give you the experience you deserve, okay? 760-559-6103. When you text me, call me, say, hey, Victor, I saw your YouTube video. I want to know more about that Flagstaff front living room. Thank you guys so much. God bless. And I can't wait to see you guys on the next video.